Did you know there is a superhero whose origin has been completely rewritten so many times that even she stopped pretending to know the truth? Donna Troy made her first appearance in 1965 as Wonder Girl, a younger version of Diana. Simple enough. But over the decades, DC Comics kept changing their minds. She was a mirror duplicate of Wonder Woman. Then she was an orphan raised by Amazons. Then she was a figure pulled from ancient Titan mythology. Then she was described as a nexus point between dimensions, a living connection to alternate worlds that no longer existed. Each new writer handed her a brand new past and erased the one before it. What makes Donna remarkable is what DC finally decided to do with all of that chaos. They made her aware of it. She knows her history is broken. She knows every version of herself is temporary, and she keeps going anyway. She rebuilds. She chooses to exist even when existence gives her nothing solid to stand on. That is not a flaw. That is the whole point of her. These are nerd lore stories. Please give us a follow for the next character. Thank you for listening.